Hey guys, I am starting off this little weekend vlog on my phone. I'm like sitting here trying to get some work done in my little like rec room area of my apartment complex. Today is going to be a grocery day. We are going to Costco and a few other grocery stores as well. So I'll show you guys everything we get. We have no groceries, and after I had a friend visiting and then we went away for the weekend to San Diego, we essentially had so many groceries left over that Frank and I were like, okay, we're not going grocery shopping until we go through all this food. So we made it a point to like go through everything. Our fridge is legit empty, so we're excited to finally replenish. So I'll take you guys through that. I am gonna probably get lunch before we go grocery shopping, so I'm not going on an empty belly. I know that that's like a huge mistake I used to make all the time, is like going to Costco on an empty stomach. Dude, I would buy the most ridiculous snack items and just be so hungry that I'm just gonna have like a chicken bake or something. So I have learned from my mistakes. I'm gonna get a salad. Right now I'm just gonna work on some stuff, and then Frank's gonna get home from work and we're gonna hit the road. I keep checking the door because my dog is laying right there in the corner, if you can see him. If someone opens the door, I just don't want him to run out. So I like just making sure no one keeps walking in. But yeah, that's what we're up to right now. Just got my sweet green. Looks so bomb, I'm starving.
Security. I have no weapons. The closest thing I have to a weapon is this Hydro Flask, which—
Guys, look at this friggin' cart right now. And you wanna know what? Not a single thing is unhealthy. I mean, there's some processed stuff, but for the most part, everything is pretty good. I mean, we got some, like I said, we got some processed things, but it could be worse. We got so much food. Frank just reminded me that we haven't been grocery shopping since literally Easter. So I'm gonna do a quick haul for you guys and show you guys what we got. We had to load up on everything. Some of these things are mine, some of them are Frank's, and some of them we share. So the Nature Valley and the Skippy peanut butter is Frank's. These are Frank's. They're like chicken burgers. My almond butter. I mean, we share everything essentially, but some things I just don't really care for, and vice versa. We wanted to try the Premier Protein cereal. These are no sugar, like keto chocolate thingies, just in case, like if you ever have a sweet tooth. And then we got some egg whites, some of this tuna, which is one of my favorites, Wild Planet tuna. We got coconut milk, almond milk, kombucha, 2 different kinds of late July chips, a bunch of different snacks. I got one of these pre-made salad things. These are Frank's sausages. This is toys for the dog.
Don't put them down there.
This is broccoli. I got some chocolate or cinnamon ghee, which I actually ordered on Amazon. I got a ton of veggies and celery and yogurt and ground beef, and we did not pick him up at Costco actually. And then we got a ton of veggies in here. Frank, please don't put the dog in the vegetables. We got a ton of fruits and veggies in here, all fresh. 2 things of strawberries, avocado, tomatoes, hummus is under there. Then we got Spindrifts, Premier Proteins, a ton of yogurt. These are all frozen veggies and stuff like that I like to make Frankie when I'm in a pinch and I need to make him like a quick meal. And then I wanted to try this like cauliflower crust to make a homemade pizza, and it looked pretty good. And then what else did we get? These are like wraps that I make for Frank. More of his favorite little frozen veggie things. And then I got this super coffee, which I love when I'm like on the go and I just want a little pick-me-up. And then I also got this super creamer. And I feel like we got more stuff, but I just don't feel like unpacking it right now. But look at our empty fridge. So I'm very, very excited to fill this bad boy up with all of these delicious groceries. $600 later, and we are about to be fully stocked. So this is our before. So here's our fridge. I mean, Frank is really good at organizing it usually, but because we just had so much stuff that we bought this time, we couldn't really organize it until it like gets a little bit emptier, because we had to just kind of put things wherever we could fit it essentially. But we got a ton of stuff. And these two are stuffed with, this is the vegetable drawer, it's the fruit drawer. And then we got a ton of frozen stuff as well. So we are literally stocked up for, I would say, the next month at least. What are you doing over there? Are you in the Trader Joe's bag? So cute. So here's our pantry. Looking pretty stocked up. So here is my dinner. Here's Frankie's. And here is little Panties. Here, Pant. Here you go, buddy. Guys, it is Saturday morning and we are about to head to the gym. I'm wearing a t-shirt today because I like to do my runs in a t-shirt for obvious reasons. It's just more comfy. And I wanted to show you guys all of our groceries. I didn't end up doing anything last night. I literally, Frank went out with his friends, well, with our friends for a little bit, to a bar across the street, and I stayed in and watched the Kardashians and hung out with the dog and fell asleep like at 10:30. So I had a grand old night. It was actually really, really nice to go to sleep on a Friday night and wake up Saturday and feel like perfection. I do feel quite bloated from that rotisserie chicken. Like I feel it in my face and my stomach. I feel like the sodium in that chicken honestly was delicious. Anyone who hates on the Costco rotisserie chicken, you know, you can F off, but it was delicious. But I am definitely feeling it right now, so I'm gonna do a little bit of a sauna session to try to like get a little bit of that out, but it's fine. I don't really care. Just got back from the gym, showered, got ready, put on a cute little outfit, and I'm about to go meet my friends for some coffee, and then I'm going to the mall, so I figured I'd show you guys my outfit before I go. Here is my outfit. I just threw on this jacket because it's kind of gloomy out right now. It would have been cuter without it, but what can you do? I'll eventually, hopefully it'll be warm enough for me to take it off, but it's pretty cute. Just some Levi's, the shirt's from Tiger Mist, and I have my little pink purse and just sneakers. Alright guys, if I'm embarrassing you, we're at brunch, we're at Nora. We got almond milk lattes, and the girls are gonna order something. It's super cute up here. Okay, third outfit change of the day. We're now going to a friend's barbecue. So I'm just wearing some jeans, some boots, and a t-shirt. We're about to go pick up some sandwiches on the way. And that's that. And then after the barbecue, I'm actually gonna go over to Lindsay's because we have like a little evening dinner planned at a really cute place called Hotel Cara. So I'm really excited for that too. But yeah, this is the current outfit. You're so cute. You're so cute. This guy has so many toys. Aww. This is the guy who said he never wanted a dog. Is he biting your nose or licking it? Guys, I realized I never finished out this vlog. I was kind of trying to do a little weekend vlog and I never finished it. So I'm just gonna continue it today for a little bit. And I wanted to talk to you guys about something that I feel like I've been really excited about lately, and that's kind of how I got out of my health and fitness rut, I guess. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I've been like really hyped for all my workouts and like just overall really happy, and kind of like you guys have been commenting like, oh bitch, you're thriving, you're glowing. Like I feel like I am. So I just want to share with you guys to kind of wrap up the vlog how I'm feeling. If you guys are new to my channel, then you wouldn't know this, but if you are returning subscribers, then you might know that I started my fitness journey around a year and a half ago, I would say. And it has been not a linear journey for sure. It's been ups and downs. And honestly, the last few months, I would say from like the end of January up until mid-April, I was feeling kind of like, to be honest, like I was so over it. I felt super burnt out. I was super just like unmotivated. I wasn't really loving what I was doing, and in all aspects, in terms of workouts, in terms of my fitness routine, everything. So I've kind of like really got this newfound excitement and motivation, and like the other day I was just so excited to go see my trainer, and I'm obsessed with the workouts that I do with her, and I'm also obsessed with the workouts that I've been doing on my own, and I've been loving all my meals. Like I'm just in like such a great mental space right now. I'm genuinely, like, no BS, guys, it's the first time in a very long time that I'm like genuinely so happy, I guess. Like I'm just happy in all aspects. Like I feel like I'm really getting a grasp on something that I have struggled so hard to achieve, and that is balance, or kind of moderation. And I used to think that I had it under control, but I really did not at all. And the habits that I thought were healthy and were moderation honestly weren't. It was more so like eat clean, kind of restrict yourself throughout the week, and then kind of go buck wild on the weekends. And I've realized that instead of doing that, just allowing yourself little bits and pieces here and there is the perfect way to go, and not being too hard on yourself, not being too crazy. But yeah, I've just been like really loving my routine lately, and really excited about my workouts and about health and fitness again. And I think it's really showing. Like, I don't know, I feel like my overall disposition is just happier. So obviously it's affecting me mentally, but also physically. I feel really great. I feel super strong. And my trainer kept telling me, like, just trust the process, you know, like we're gonna start this weightlifting. And I put on some weight, which was fat and also muscle. And my trainer was like, don't worry, just trust the process, just keep doing what you're doing, you're gonna feel strong, you're gonna feel amazing, like give it a month and you are gonna feel so good. And she was freaking right. I feel so good. So today's another day that I'm working out with her. Today's actually my anniversary with my boyfriend, so I'm gonna go get in a workout with Rachel, my trainer, and then come back and get ready and all of that. I already had my breakfast, like pre-workout meal, which was an egg white omelet, one Vans like gluten-free waffle, and some celery with almond butter. It was quite a hefty breakfast, but I really like a filling breakfast. I used to be somebody that snacked a lot, and let me just tell you guys, this is a game changer. If you feel like you're never satisfied and full and you constantly find yourself snacking, eat bigger meals. It's scary at first if you're somebody who's used to having these like small portions and small meals, and you know that works for people. My mom used to say like, oh, all you need to do is just like eat everything but just have it in small portions, and I tried that and I was just left constantly hungry. So that is my biggest tip for you guys. Don't just do what other people do and they say works miracles for them, because it might not work for you. And don't feel like you're broken or there's something wrong with you if what seems to work for every other person doesn't work for you. That's not anything. Why is this not focusing on my face? Hello. That's not anything like abnormal. Everybody and everybody is different. So you just need to understand that you need to have patience. Take the time to understand that what works for somebody else might not work for you, and you might really find yourself thriving on a bunch of small meals and snacks and feel like you feel your best, and you feel that your digestion is most optimal, and you have the most energy, and you feel the most satisfied. And if that's the case, then dude, that's awesome. For me personally, when I tried to have a bunch of small meals, I was never ever feeling satisfied. I would never leave the table feeling full, and it was so frustrating to me that I ended up binge eating because I never felt full, and I thought I had to fit into this box of like small portions and be dainty and eat a little amount and never feel like I needed to eat as much as my boyfriend. And it's so the opposite. Like, I am 5'11". I'm a big person. Not a big person, but like I'm tall. I work out. I require a lot of energy. Like, I'm constantly doing things, I'm constantly moving. Like, I can eat a lot and there is nothing wrong with that, and it's not gonna do anything bad to me or anything like that. If anything, it's just gonna make me feel good, be fueled, and have energy to do all of the things that I need to do throughout the day, as opposed to feeling like I need to have 17 cups of coffee a day. So that being said, I love starting my day with a big breakfast. So yeah, it's really been a trial and error, and I've really been working with my body, but I've been like feeling so good and obsessed with my meals and feeling so full, and it's crazy because I haven't been having sugar cravings, and I'm like, what the hell? What is all this about? Like, I have the biggest sweet tooth ever, and like, don't get me wrong, I still could like F up a batch of cookies, but I haven't been craving anything. I haven't baked anything or craved any desserts or anything crazy, and or sugary coffee drinks or anything like that. And I'm like, why is that? And it's like, bingo, I've been actually fueling myself and feeling full for my meals. So yeah, I had red meat for the first time last night. I made like a taco salad with like a fattier ground beef, and oh my god, I was legit full for like 4 hours afterwards. And that never happens to me at night. Usually at night I'm like still hungry at like, well, I get not even hungry, like I just have these cravings. Like I get into bed, I eat dinner at like 6, and then I get into bed at like 9, and I'm like, oh, I really want this or I really want that, you know. But not last night. I felt great. So maybe that's the secret, guys. I want to show you guys my outfit before I head off to the gym. It's really cute, and something that's just kind of like a small victory is I remember when I first put this outfit on, it was at the beginning of my kind of like funk with fitness, and I felt really uncomfortable in it. Like I just felt so bloated, and I wasn't really fueling my body properly. Like I was just going ham. Like I was just eating all the sugar, all the processed food, protein bars, and hella just like spoonfuls of peanut butter, which don't get me wrong, I still do that, but I balance it out now. And I remember wearing this to work out with my trainer and feeling so uncomfortable, and I was so excited to wear this outfit, and I felt just like my stomach hurt wearing it. Like that's like what I can say. And I put it on today, and I was like, I wonder, you know, it's been a few months, like I wonder how I'm gonna feel. I haven't worn it since then, and I feel great. I'm like, I actually look kind of cute in this outfit. So let me show you this outfit. I'm gonna head out, and it's kind of tough to vlog my workout with Rachel because we are really in like game time. Like I really, when I'm with her, like I'm fully focused. And also we train at a gym now that is not my private gym anymore. We now train at a like full-blown gym with weights and whatnot. So it's just kind of difficult to actually film because I want to really focus on my workout. So I'll give you guys like a brief synopsis of what we typically do. Tuesdays is usually like upper body and ab focused. It's a lot of like back, shoulders, buys, tries, upper body, weightlifting. And then Thursdays are my heavy leg days with her. And then I've said this in my previous vlog, but Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays are kind of like my own. I go to my own other gym. I have 3 gyms. I have my apartment gym and my gym with Rachel, and then I have my other gym. I go to my other gym and I kind of just do like a cardio leg day, which is what I did yesterday. And then maybe tomorrow I'll do like a little arm day. And then the day after that or on Friday, I'll do like a little bit of abs and like some, I don't know, running or something like that. Kind of whatever I'm feeling. And then Saturdays and Sundays are my free days, and I can choose to do whatever, like hiking or a walk or nothing. So yeah, anyways, let me show you my outfit. So this is my little outfit. It's from Year of Ours. I'm obsessed with this blue color. I think it's so cute. And like I said, I feel like it fits really well. It's so comfy. It's a size small and I love it. So yeah, I'm gonna go head out and head to my workout with Rachel. I'm gonna fill up my water, bring a Celsius, and bring a snack. Alrighty, so I am going to head to the gym now. I don't want to be late, and I want to get in a little bit of like incline walking before Rachel gets there. So I love you guys all so very much, and I will see you guys in the next video.